just once. For more than just one night. Oh, we never do it. If we can love you to it just once, I hardly understand. All goes to goodbye. All take my best and make it better. Wake up, wake Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to my dancers. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you all. Hello, everyone. Kamusta po kayo? So, may ba aking opening club? And saan ba yung nagustuhan po ba? At dahil dyan nararamdaman ko ito ng energy. Dahil dyan, mag-energy check po tayo. Okay na po ba? Yes. So, babating ko po kayo pero sa mga grabing energy, like over yung energy ko. What's up, mga people? So, hindi ko lang po na-shoot ako po sa inyo. So, again, I'm from Mel Collado po. Your TNT Grand Champions po show po siya po. Nandito po ako kayo sa Integrado po at talaga lang po nagpo-perform sa harapan po. Having a good time na dahil kasama po po natin mamaya si Ate Kim and si Kuya po. Excited na po ba kayo?
Yes!
Yes, thank you so much po. So before I proceed to my next song, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you po sa mga happy na buwan ng event na ito. And of course, nandun si Mama Jerome. Yes, Mama Jerome. Yes, nakapagpalit si Mama Jerome. And of course, dito nakapagpalit natin sa akin and si Kuya Paolo. Yes, for my second song. For my second song, this is very special to me kasi kinakita po siya sa akin. Yes! So kung alam niyo po, let me focus on it. So this song is entitled Just Music Please.